public order policing is here under control. The local station commanders are here, and the members are on the ground to manage the situation. And for now, all is still fine. There's nothing we can say we need to worry about. The only thing, we expect them to behave, we expect them to adhere to the law, we expect them to adhere to the rights and respect rights of other people. Those who don't want to march, they must be respected. And even those who are marching, their rights to march must be respected. But for now, there is nothing to worry about. Everything is under control. No, hotspots will be determined by misbehavior. For now, we know the areas that we regard as flashpoints or possible flashpoints based on the previous information and the previous incidences. But all areas are fully covered in terms of law enforcement and visibility and managing the situation.
The businesses around Soweto, they may be not operating already.
No, they are operating. Businesses are operating. Life is normal. Yes.
And what message, General, can you give them? I'm happy you just mentioned that the protesters are adhering to Section 17 of the Constitution, peaceful protest.
That's correct. And that's what we expect. Nothing more, nothing less.
What can you say to the people, General? You say that you've got certain hotspot of which you don't know this hotspot. They might be, perhaps, maybe, started looting and like that. What message can you say to this hotspot that you identified?
No, we know the possible flashpoints. We are monitoring those areas. We have deployed in those areas. And we are ready for any eventuality. But for now, we don't want to be ready for wrong things. We want to be ready to manage and protect our people, the marchers and even other people who are here. We are ready to ensure each one enjoy their insurance rights as per the Constitution. Right to march and right not to march. Right not to be intimidated and right not to be provoked when you march peacefully.
General,
esibonayo enganeni esibonayo emsebenzini kubaleke kangakanani ukuthi abantu eSouth Africa bahlangane balungise isimo sasekhaya.
Kubaleke kakhulu, kuyafuna thina suka abantu base South Africa sihlangane ngaso sonke isikhathi sibukisane ngendlela esisuka sibhekana nazo esizibukayo ngoba kubhlungu ni family mhlambe ni about 15 or 10 akusebenza even the one month kulo mndeni kubhlungu kodwa bona njengabantu bangaphandle uthothi la ko Hillbrow ngemanise njengoba ngila eGauteng edolobheni laseGoli sebe nendawo bona bathe ya kodwa wena uwala eMzantsi Afrika ngeke ukwazi ukusuka uye eMalawi ngeke ukwazi ukusuka uye eNigeria ngeke ukwazi ukusuka uye eEthiopia uyongena nje wenze noma yini.
Umthetho lo
obalekile ukuthi uhulumeni wethu usilekelele iphele le nto eyenzakalayo la eSouth Africa.
Khona ezinye inhlelo mhlambe ninazo ekuhlaleni mhlambe emahostela okanye ekuhlaleni ezizokwenza ukuthi ubumbano lobonakala namhlanje iqhubeke.
Sikhona siphe kwazi. Ziningi ngoba sinana ama group ukuthi singabe sisahlukana sihlala sibumbene esikhuluma kuona njengama leaders ukwazi ukuthi umphakathi wethu uhlala ubumbene ngendlela ukuthi inodlame njengoba kunodlame kule minyaka ephambili ithina abantu bakwaZulu noma ithina abantu befundazwe esibuya phansi kwamakhosi esenze ukuthi kuphele udlame linqandeke udlame ngoba sabumbana sahlala phansi sabukisana.
Uhlelo namhlanje lithini ke njengoba kuzosuka kumasho Lusipho
uhlelo namhlanje njengoba sila eJabulani Amphitheatre sizosuka sihambisa imemorandum eProtea eProtea police station.
Ikhalazo ezikhona kule memorandum ngaba iziphi nazo
the same la isuke siya khona kuma police station njengayizolo kade siseMoroka police station kuyikhalazo efanayo ngoba ipolice ngicabanga ukuthi yona ihead uthini ekuhlaleni abantu abanamandla ibona abahulumeni abasikadini ibona abantu abanganendlela yokuvimba abantu bangaphandle ukuthi bengabikho besilekelele bebakhipha abakhona la abanganamaphepha mvumo okubalela ilizwe lase South Africa.
Ngoba sesibona ukuthi sekukhona okwenzakalayo abangaphandle sibaqala ukuhamba uthini kulelo hlelo lelo.
Sijabulela kakhulu lokho sijabulela impela ukuthi becleanwe impela behambe asalile ukuthi abantu base South Africa beze la nolwazi abanalo kodwa ngababe namaphepha mvume okubakhulelizwe. kube namaphepha mvume futhi kube nesikhathi ukuthi umuntu mayela unesikhathi esingakanani akasikalela ukuthi angabe la kodwa abe nesivunyelwano sezwe lakhe nezwe lakithi eSouth Africa ukuthi abe la ezweni lakithi.